I picked up some items from the Dollar Tree that I thought you may want to take a look at. I bought these ballpoint pens, and it is by Jot, and it is 0.7 millimeters. I like these pens because of the way they write. They're a very fine point pen, and let me grab a paper here. See, I have one. They have not had this in stock for a while. They finally got it back, so I decided to pick up some extra ones. So see how it writes? I like it. It is a nice smooth ballpoint pen. It kind of like you would be writing with a gel pen, but it only is ballpoint. So I picked up the multi-pack one. You get the orange, the teal, purple, and pink. I bought 2 of those, and then I picked up one more package of the black pens. Cute. I love this pen. I keep it in my little container right here by my desk. And then I found some new cute jars. Well, I've seen everyone hauling them, and I finally found it at one of my stores, so I picked it up. I picked it up in the green and in the clear container. See, it's got like some round dots, and it's what do you call it, dimensional, and it also has like a logo, and I'm not sure what this is in the center, but it's nice and decorative. And then the same thing with the clear one, and it does come with a cork. So I'll have to fight with that one. And you get a ribbon around it. It's like a jute cording ribbon, and it comes out. So what I want to use, this is for potpourri oil. When I buy the oils from Dollar Tree, it comes in like really tiny containers, so I can take those and just pour it in here, and I will have a large container and to use that for. So I bought 1 each, and then I finally picked up some strapping tape. It is also by Jot, and it says it's clear finish or transparent, and you get 180 inches long, and it's 1.89 inches wide. Now this is, if you know tape, it's kind of like almost like the duct tape, but not really. It's almost as strong as the duct tape, we'll put it that way. So it has these strips going through on the clear taping itself, and that's what gives it that strength it does. So I needed this for a project I'm working on, so I picked up 2. And I figure, well, you know what? I have one. When I run out, I have a backup. So those will stay in my craft room. I also picked up some stickers. And you get this. I found this one. It says You and Me. It is a pop-up sticker, and you get 9. I had to open it so you can see all the stickers on here, and you didn't just get a glare. I like this. It says You, Me, Love. It is I got like some sort of glitter on there. See there? If if I turn it the right way, you can probably pick it up. I did find 2, so I picked up 2 of these. And then I found these. It's been a while since I've seen this one at Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and picked up 1 each. You get 7 pop-up stickers. And this is like the red theme. I'll let you pause and read that if you like. But they're really cute, yeah. Nice. Got that one. And then I picked up the brown tone ones. Let's see, here we go. You see? I like them. And then I picked up this green one, and it also has like the two teal colors on the side. And you get 7 of those also. And then I found another one of these new stickers of the yellow flowers. So I went ahead and picked that one up. And I will have this. I plan to probably put this in my planner. It'll look really nice. I love decorating my planners per monthly. And then I found one of these Mickey Mouse stickers. It is a 3D sticker, and it is clear, and it's all plastic, so it doesn't really matter which way I put it. It's gonna all clear. So I only found the one. I tried to look for some more, but it seemed to be all sold out to the one store that I went to. And this is a Greenbrier product, even though it's a Disney sticker. So I'll keep a watch out for more of those. And then I picked out one more set of the gold shape paper clips by Jot. It's Corner Office by Jot, and you get 8 clips. I picked it up in the heart shape. They do have 4 designs altogether, so when you go to your store, take a look. I also found some composition books. Well, I don't know if these are considered composition books. Oh, yes, it does. It's Jot composition book. You get 80 sheets, 9.75 by 7.5. It is a Greenbrier product. And look at this, how nice, right? Save the planet. I love that. And the papers have, the lines are like a dark gray lines. You normally get that blue tone, right? So this one you get the dark gray, and it's more like college rule than it is white rule. Look at that. I like it. So they had only 2 in stock, so I don't know how many different designs you get. I will have to check another store. And the binding tape is green too. Yeah, it's that craft paper that they use. It's probably recycled paper. Does it say? No. But and then there's this one. This one says Save Earth, or Save Our Earth. And then the same thing with this one. So yeah, these are the only 2 designs I found. I will keep a watch out to see what other, because the box that this came out was pretty much empty, so you know, I caught that at the end of the whatever was in the box sale. So I will hopefully see what else came in that box. I picked up some nail polishes. I normally don't show you the nail polishes I haul on my channel, but I wanted to show you this. Now, normally nail polish is not part of you know, like a arts and crafts supply haul, but let me share you a story. I was watching Only in My Dreams, and she was making this journal, right? And she was using nail polish in the journal, and then I'm like, ooh, well, that's a nifty idea. Now, I've seen videos where they use nail polish to make like ornaments and stuff, like to give those ornaments, glass ornaments, like a marble effect for Christmas. And I normally buy nail polish just for myself, and I love nail polishes. But I wanted to go ahead and show you in case you want to use these nail polishes in your craft projects. So I found these. These are by Maybelline New York, and they are gel nail polishes. It says Fast Gel Nail Lacquer, and it is 0.47 fluid ounce. This one here is, let me see, Silver Secrets, and it is that silver shade in there. And then there's this one with the green tint, and this is Jaded Jade. This one is Golden Glory. This one kind of threw me off. I was looking at these and then I'm like, ooh, I wonder if there's gold. And it looked more like a brownish tone. But if you look at the name, it says Golden Glory. So I want to see what that one looks like on my nails. And then I found this one too. This is Red Punch. It's such a red, vibrant color. So pretty. And then there's this one. This is Caramel Crush. Nice, right? And like I said, I did pick up several from one store and then I picked up another bunch from another store. So I end up buying 2 of these. And I don't think you're able to return nail polishes at Dollar Tree, so I'm not going to even try. I will just put one in the donation box. And then I picked up this one too. This one is Wicked Berry. It's like a purple shade. And then there's Slay It, which is the black nail polish. And then there's this one. This is Possessed Plum. And it's that like burgundy color, like a really dark red color, see? And then there's this one. This one is Sheer Fantasy. It's like a beigey, peachy color with like some glitter in there. Probably mica glitter in there. That's giving it that sparkle effect. And then there's this one. This is Tropic Talks. And it is green. I mixed them up, but I guess I didn't do so well because it's still teal on the bottom. So I need to mix this one some more. And then there's this one. This one is called Pink Paradise. I'm wearing it right now. It is pretty, isn't it? I love it. And I love it that the handle matches what the dried nail polish will look like. See there? It's exactly like it says. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, there's a lot of pretty Maybelline nail polishes to be found at Dollar Tree right now. So if you see them, pick them up. And there's more shades available. I did not pick them all up. I only picked up the shades that I would wear. Yeah, I'm quite happy I found all this nail polish at Dollar Tree. I am always watching to see what new colors that they have at Dollar Tree. I'm happy with my new bottles. And I'm quite happy that I found some more pens so I can keep a supply of my favorite pens in. And then I have my new composition books, and these I'm going to leave them just like this. I love the covers. They're really nice, and I will write in those for sure. And you know my obsession with stickers, so I was able to feed that obsession again. I'm quite happy to tell you that I'm able to feed my obsession of stickers. Well, I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.